Okay, so let's get into it. These are some items that I got from my favorite store, which would be, where did I get these from? Nordstrom's and from Dillard's. Dillard's has some great quality clothing. I would kind of make them a side, kind of just like Nordstrom's. Dillard's is a little bit higher quality than Nordstrom's. You can get better deals at Dillard's. I think Dillard's has a wholesale place where you can go. They have a few of them in Arizona. I'm not sure they have anything like that in Maryland. Here, Coco, she's like going for it. But I want to show you some things that I put together, and then I'll show you how I styled them. So the first thing I got was this pair of jeans. And you know I've been into my jeans lately. So I got these, and these were actually on sale for $9.59. So when I went into Nordstrom's, I'm not Nordstrom's, girl. When I went into Dillard's, I was just looking for sale items. So everything I got is going to be, I'm trying to get just everything that's going to be on sale. They had a lot of these, so when you go in there, you just have to kind of look around and find something that's going to be of quality and something that's going to be on sale. So these are Sweetheart jeans. I got these in a size waist 27 because these have no stretch. No stretch. So if you have a tushy, you're going to have to size up. And you're going to have to get your waist tailored. That is my problem all the time. So I am used to it. I have a tailor that I use, that I get my pants done all the time, so she's used to seeing me consistently. So these pants I absolutely love. They are wide legs. They have nice pockets in the front, and the thing I love about these pants, number one, is they are wide legs. They have this nice little line down the middle of the pants, which I think is so cute. And then they also have these additional pockets to just make it look sporty. But it's the little tailored line that I think just kind of gives it that kind of well put together, kind of relaxed look. And it has the same line down the back, and the pockets kind of have this silver little button on it. So I love the fact that you get that on the back and you get that on the front. So it really gives it a nice sporty look and makes it look just fantastic when you put it together with heels, or you can put it together with your boots, or you can put it together with some tennis shoes. It looks absolutely perfect. So what I got to go along with these pants was I got this little sweater. Now I thought this sweater was super cute. It's like a little crop top. It goes along with the stitching in those jeans. It's nice and comfortable. It's not too heavy, so I can certainly wear something on top of this to kind of layer the look. This was on sale for $12.99. I absolutely love it. I love this little kind of embellishment right here in the front. It gives it kind of like a little bow tie. Right, well, not like a bow tie, like a little tie, like a little ribbon tie. So it kind of stands out right there, but it's really, really cute. The neckline is a circular neckline. I got this in a size small because I wanted it to fit kind of tight, but I absolutely love the shirt. The sleeves are long, which you know I love sleeves that are long to kind of give that puffy look when I put it on. I think it's going to look absolutely cute with those pants and a nice little pair of boots or heels. Is how I plan on wearing those. I take pictures when I put my outfits together, so when I get ready to show it to you guys, I just look at the picture and then that's how I style it again for you guys. So that's what I got to go with that. Now, of course, if I'm on the East Coast, what I'm going to go ahead and pair with that is this little faux mink jacket. And this is so cute. I got this in a size, I think I got this in a size medium. Shoot, I don't know. I think I got this in a medium or a large. It is super, super cute. It zips up the front and it does have pockets, which I absolutely love. I thought it would just look really, really cute with that outfit. If you put this on with a nice little pair of boots, you have on the sweater. It's not really, really cold right now on the East Coast, so wearing this at night along with that is just layering the look up. And then of course on the West Coast you do not need this. Maybe at night you could get away with it just if you wanted to wear it, but it's not really cold enough for it quite yet on the West Coast. But a beautiful, beautiful little faux fur jacket. So I got that as well. So the next thing I got is this little shirt. I just think this is so cute. Okay, so this shirt, I got this. It was on sale for $8.19. The reason why I got it, number one, was because of the sleeves. Now, I'm not talking about the embellishments. I'm talking about the way the sleeves are made. It cuffs under, so it gives it that type of pushed in look at the sleeves. I just thought that was really, really cute. I thought it was well structured. And then on top of that, it has these little diamond embellishments, which also give it a nice little look. So I just thought it was really, really cute. Now, I do have a lot of white shirts, but this was just cute. I got it in a small. This is made by Aunt Wealth. I'm going to try to find them online for you guys because this is just a really cute shirt. So what I got to go with this shirt was these pair of pants. Now, I am usually not a striped kind of pants wearing girl. I'm just being honest. I am not. But I got these pants. They were $8.19. You see the thing? Everything's on sale. These do not have any stretch to them. These are low pro Levi Strauss jeans. They're mid-rise, relaxed through the hip and thigh. I got these in a waist size 28 because they are low rise, which means they are going to fit down here on the hip. If you're a hippie girl, you're going to have to size up. I'm just telling you. You're just going to have to size up. Do not get your size in Levi jeans. These are cute. I like the stripe in them, and their wide legs. So I looked at them and I was like, I probably could get that and wear that with a nice pair of white boots. I could wear this little shirt with them and then maybe put a little jacket over top of them. I did not find a jacket, but I'm looking for a dark blue denim jacket. I have one, but it doesn't go with the vibe of this. I want something that's a little bit longer and that's going to take me into the winter sort of like. So I'm still looking for that, but I do like these jeans. They have some nice little pockets in the front. And then, of course, they have the little Levi sign in the back, and they have the pockets are kind of deep, so that's how it looks in the back. But overall, a really cute little denim jean. On the West Coast, this is perfect. You could wear these with a white boot or a cream boot. Put the shirt on, tuck the shirt in and kind of wear it fluffed out, and then you can put on a nice little sweater. I have a sweater that will go on top of this if need be, but right now it's just warm enough there to just wear this and wear the shirt, and then you're good to go. You can put on a pair of sandals, pair of tennis shoes, and then you don't have to worry about anything else. You're just fine with just that. The next thing I got was this little suit. Now, I absolutely love, let me get it there. I absolutely love this suit. It came together. It is a knit suit, and this was $24.99. It has a kind of like a mid collar, not a turtleneck. It's like a shorter kind of mid turn. I got this in a size medium because I thought it would be perfect doing my travels from DC to Arizona. And this has no sleeves, so that's absolutely perfect for Arizona. When you're traveling at night, you're on an airplane, it's kind of cool. You can always put a shirt underneath this, but it's just well fitted for both East and West Coast. You don't have to worry about doing too much. And then the pants, they kind of tie in the front. It's not a real heavy knit, but heavy enough to keep you warm. Again, it has wide legs. I got this in a medium, so it doesn't fit super tight. It gives me lots of room to kind of relax, keeps me warm. I don't have to put a jacket on with this unless I choose to put one on. Now, of course, if I was on the East Coast, what I would do, or if I was like traveling, which I plan to do with this little outfit, I do have this little shirt that I got, and I forgot who I got this from, but I'll look it up so I can let you guys know. I got this shirt that has a little tie in the front that's absolutely perfect, I think, for wearing it with that outfit. It has long sleeves that you can roll up and kind of keep them up with a rubber band so that they're not all the way down, or you can leave them all the way down. The little tie here is pretty long and cute. It'll go right over top of that mock turtleneck. So this is something, and it's long, so it's going to come under. It's going to show underneath that top, because the top itself is kind of long. It comes like right to your waist, so this will show under that. So it will cover your bum, but it will definitely show under that top, so it'll give it a kind of tailored look. You definitely could wear some kitten heels or some tennis shoes or some boots. This is a black outfit. I have some kitten boots that I probably would wear with that I could get on the plane with. I could get away with going to the airport. The boots would not bother me. They're easy to walk in. So yeah, I definitely would wear this with that outfit. And then the next thing I'm going to show you guys is I got this little bag. Now, I did get this bag, I think, from Shein, which to go with the pants. You watched my other video that went up, you would see that I got some pants that were this color. Now, what I would have loved, and they do have this on it, is that this would have been actually a kind of skin, kind of, you know, skin type bag, but it's so super cute. It's not that big, but you can't, you know, if you feel it, it has the texture of being made out of I guess this is cow skin, but it is not, but it feels like it. It just doesn't feel like fur, but really, really cute. It has that little dangle right there that's really nice. And then you just kind of twist this, open it up, and then you do have plenty of room in here. So you can definitely get a purse in there, a bag, and a couple of other things. I just have this stuff in here to kind of keep the shape while I store it. But I really do like it. I think it's just super cute. I think it goes along with the pants. I definitely would wear it. Now, I can tell you this. They have some other ones on there that are much better than this. And, of course, you got the little you know, case that you can wear, you know, like that. Or, you know, you can wear it like that, which is, I think, how most people, I would have preferred if it was, you know, just like that. So I would wear it kind of like that. But super, super cute. It's going to look really nice with those pants. And my boots. And then the other thing I got, hold on, I want to show you guys. These tennis shoes as well. These are super, super cute. I got these in a size 39. I have not worn them, but look at them. They're just really cute. Totally shoes I would wear to the airport, kind of relax in. Now, I'm a type of girly, I do not like get my tennis shoes dirty. I just don't. When I do, I don't want to wear them anymore. So I have a lot of cloth tennis shoes that I don't like putting in the washing machine. I've been thinking about taking them to the cobbler, a shoe, I guess it's shoe person, to try to get them to clean them. I know that's just probably crazy, but I just don't believe in putting tennis shoes in the washing machine. Comment below if you do that and how your shoes turn out, because when we were younger, we tossed our shoes and they came out like yellow. I just don't have time for that. So I try to wash them by hand, and I can't get all of the dirt off the shoe. You know, during the course of the day, you're out, you know, going to the football games and stuff. People step on your toes, or, you know, it's just dirt that gets on them. And I hate that. So these are made out of faux leather, not real leather, and suede. So I am thinking the top part will get dirty, but, you know, these weren't very costly. They were very cheap and affordable, so they are a nice version of tennis shoe that you can definitely wear. So I'll put the link and everything to everything below. I will try to find all of these online so you can kind of check them out. They may not be exactly the ones that I purchased, but they will be duplicates. I will try to find something that's affordable within the price range. Now, all these were on sale at Dillard's. Dillard's has a lot of these on sale, so you just have to go in there and look. I'm sure you can find something, but I will link what I can below. Might not be in the price range, but definitely the quality will be there. Thank you so much for watching. I certainly appreciate you. I love you, and I hope that you found some inspiration with my clothing choices. And let me know below what stores you shop at, what you like to do on the East and West Coast. What do you find comfortable when you travel? Let me know that below. I'll talk to you later. This is Just the Queen Wells. Love you guys. Bye.